Hey everyone, Brian again from deltaG. Today I want to talk about my favorite product, deltaG Tactical. Tactical is 32 grams of raw deltaG, nothing but ketones. No flavoring, no additives, just the pure product. The people who'd want to use this are ones who are really trying to accelerate their performance or recovery without any flavoring, without any additives. The way I've seen a lot of people use this is pouring, let's say, a full or half bottle into their carbohydrate drink or electrolyte drink. The usual protocol with this is starting, let's say, with half a bottle around 20 minutes before you start any kind of endurance event, any kind of workout. And then if the event or workout lasts for more than 2 hours, taking another half bottle serving every hour. You can always scale up to full bottles, but I would make sure you separate the doses because really what the goal is to keep your blood ketones within this optimal range for performance and then afterwards for recovery. And that's going to be around 1.5 to 3 millimolar, and that should do the trick. So give it a shot. We love it, and let us know what you think.